that color me. Extreme ways that help me out late at night. Extreme places I had gone, but never seen any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone, did you ever like it then? I would stand in line for
Made it to Medellin, and there is motorcycle shops everywhere in this block. A couch surfer told me about. I swear to God, there's about 150 stores. Slight exaggeration, but they have everything I need. Look at this. I'm looking for tires. There is tires everywhere. It's tire heaven. This guy is sorting me out. Like, it is just insane. All the tires I could ever want.
So I should add, all the roads here in Colombia and South America are toll-free to motorcycles. You just slip through this lane, happy days.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
So this is Nicholas on a Yamaha XT660 and his wife Vanessa. An awesome couple. I somehow stumbled across them on a WhatsApp group, invited me to stay, and 11 days later I finally left. But in the meantime, they took me out 3 or 4 days exploring when they could. And then the other days I was just chilling out and doing some maintenance on Bessy, as you'll see later in the video.
I don't know where it is. Now that's twice today the Suzuki has saved the Yamaha. He had a blown fuse earlier and now he's got a punctured wheel. So we're just keeping the old Yamaha going.
También Chepito, ¿qué Chepito? Ah, no, no, sí, también, sí.
Papá, bien.
Adiós.
Que vuelva.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Morning's antics involve Ian tearing Bessy apart on the side of the road. So I need to fix this. This bracket broke. This goes in there.
Check this out. Another crack on the frame. Thankfully I was in the right spot and the lads had it fixed in no time.
Yeah, just adding the final touches. Good job. $2.50. Change a wheel. Sure you'd be killing yourself otherwise. This is a typical shower in Central America and South America. No hot water. Just cold water. I do hate them. Thank you again. Thanks for everything.
Queremos mucho. Nos vemos en Medellin otra vez.
So, after I think about 11 days, I finally got around to leaving Nicholas and Vanessa's place. I've been so lucky, but I really need to get going again, and I'm 2 weeks in Colombia now. So I'm really looking forward to exploring the south. I'm so grateful to the two, their Vanessa's grandmother, everyone around there. Just wow, just open arms. Give me the keys to the house within 10 minutes of arriving. It's just amazing. Anyway, I gotta keep going. So I've just stopped to put on my jumper. It's I'm at 4,120 meters above sea level. Getting cold. Alien-like landscape. I'll show you now in a minute. But surprisingly, Bessy's running pretty okay. I expected her to run a little bit worse at this height, but no, she's going alright. Sorry, my battery ran down. But this pass is meant to get to 4,800 or almost 5,000 meters. My host told me it is in Bagua. It's out here. I'm trying to get there tonight, but I am going to be able to today. But scenery is spectacular. The clouds now for the last while. I'll show you around here. A few photos. It's kind of alien-like. See these kind of weird plants, trees. I don't know. Not much to see. There's a really big drop off over there, but maybe when I get a bit higher you'll see it. I should also add it's about 8 degrees Celsius. I haven't seen those kind of temperatures in 3 months.
So as I said, I had a contact in Bagu. Gabriel, a guy who just wrote to me on Instagram about 3 days previous. He told me he'd been following my trip for a few months and that if I was heading anywhere near him to call in and maybe stay. Gabriel is a 250 Yamaha, so right now we're going out for a ride out into the mountains. But I ended up staying a few days, lots of beer, lots of crack. The welcome was just through the roof. I couldn't fault it because, well, his mother is originally from Ireland. But with that being said, Gabriel is born and raised in Colombia and he sounds like an Englishman. I'm lost on that one. Talks like he's from England, acts like he's from England, and he's Colombian. It was crazy.
This is a nice bit of open ground around here. Beautiful. Huh? Yeah? So we just got stopped at a police checkpoint, and of course we were riding each other's bikes.
Kilómetros. De viaje por todo el mundo.
What are you faking, right? So today the crankcase started leaking. Actually last night came home and found oil all over the place. So give the bike a wash, and yeah, found it's leaking right down here. So I've got a new gasket here, and I'm gonna put my new stator in, which I've been carrying for like 20,000 kilometers. I've been kind of anxious about putting that in, so now it's just working out. So yeah, couldn't happen in a better place. It's not gonna come off in a hurry. Did I see a bigger hammer? No, this is
No, that's what I've got. This one. There it is.
It's hot.
Okay, so what did you do?
Just whipped it off, cleaned off the old gasket, installed the new stator, and let's hope I did it all right.
We'll see in a minute.
Yeah, we'll see in a while. It all went really well though.
Mm-hmm. Is it clean?
Oh, I let this English guy clean it. He fucked up. No, he did a good job. English, you're fucking Colombian. You sound English. You might as well be fucking English. Now, the moment of truth, guys. Will she start? Happy Bessy.
Good luck. Go again, go again. Good luck.
See you, mate.
Till next time.
Yeah, he was.
This is half dodgy.